want to be able to see each one of you. There are a lot of cameras that are still not on. I want to see all of you all. Please turn on your cameras. This is as good as selfie time. We need to click a selfie at the end of the session. So I want all of you to keep your cameras on throughout the session. Now, for any one of you who wants to know, if I start presenting, how to see that screen, you just need to click on the icon that says presenting screen. If you click on that icon, you will be able to see my entire screen. You won't be able to see anything else, right? So welcome all of you, and I'm glad to see all of you here today. And let's get started with today's session. All right. So the session is brought to you by OSTA, which is the Online Support and Training Academy by Shaspa. I'll run through the disclaimer first, like we do always. Shaspa Technologies does not claim to be an investment advisor, and this session, the app contains the product, software subscriptions. Whatever comes out of my mouth is generic in nature, offering wide-ranging investment-related information, and it is not tailored or specific to any individual user. You are expected to do your own due diligence, follow your financial advisor before taking a trade or investing. OSTA is the only authorized provider of training and support for Shaspa. So no other individual or firm is authorized to offer any training, any support, collect any money on behalf of Shaspa. All rights reserved. No part of this publication may be reproduced. If you want to share any part of this recording, any part of this session, please write to us. We'll be happy to share an official copy with you. All right, so let me run through all of what we have been doing during this COVID lockdown, and I am happy to report our success and our achievements to all of you, because all of you have contributed to that achievements and success. So what we did is we started off with making the software free for 60 days. We gave all features of the software, including intraday data, free to each and every new as well as existing user for free. We added 920 new users to Shaspa. Yeah, that's a good achievement, no doubt about it. 920 new app users for Shaspa. We started with the free OSTA online sessions. We did a total of 9 training programs, some spreading for 5 days, some were for 2 days, some were for 2 weeks. There was one training program, the first one, which went on for 21 days. So we improvised as we progressed, and we conducted 9 total such training programs. Then we had the weekly huddles, a few of them. We had the Ask Me Anything sessions, and we also had the software training sessions, which just concluded last week. And tomorrow, Aziz is going to start the Hindi part of SDS, or software training sessions. What more did we do? Okay, so it did not end here. That's not all. There is more. So we provided free online training to 1,500 traders and investors without any charge. It was absolutely free for all 1,500 attendees, and this is, a small way of all of us giving back to the society what we have learned, and sharing our expertise with everybody. Because, like I said, even in March, when the lockdown was announced and when we started off, this is going to be the one of the biggest opportunities of the decade. So we decided to make it free. We shared direct training to 1,500 people, and more than that, we got 96,500 minutes of YouTube video minutes. So there were people who viewed our YouTube videos for 96,564 minutes. So almost a lakh minutes of view time. So directly you can say we trained 1,500 people. Indirectly, I don't know how many thousand were trained. We don't have that number. We introduced new features in Shaspa, starting with Shaspa EA. We introduced stocks worth considering, and then of course the RT scanner for Nifty and Bank Nifty for day trading, where everybody is enjoying that part. So it was a great time during the lockdown that we were able to utilize all the the effort that we had put in of the last 3 years. We were able to leverage on technology, and we were able to maintain an uptime of 99% so that all our users could make maximum use of the software. Yeah, so this is something that I'm very happy to report to all of you, and I'm sure you as Shasvis, you're very proud and happy on what Shasva has achieved in this lockdown period. All right, so coming to today's discussion, I've decided to bifurcate today's discussion into two parts. Yeah, and there is a reason why your cameras are on. Okay, so I'll come to you all one by one. Don't worry about that. But the first part I want to cover is where we started off. Like I said, we started off in March with the online sessions, and during those sessions, repeatedly you heard all of us saying that this opportunity is going to be the best, is going to be the best, is going to be the best, and there will be new leaders, and there will be different set of stocks that will start going up. Not all stocks that have come down will go up. So I just wanted to present some data to you and see if if our views as far as the markets are concerned match, right? So in the initial period of the lockdown, what we saw, and I hope my screen is visible to all of you, what we saw is the markets came down rapidly in about a month's time. It took about a month's time to just come crashing down from 12,000 odd levels to 7,500 levels, right? And that is when the lockdown started. And when the lockdown started, the markets actually started to go up. And then once again, around the 10,000 level, it looked as if the markets are going to correct. They did correct about 1,000 points. But then once again, the markets picked up pace and they continued to go up. And even today, as on today, they continue to go up. Okay. Now, the point is, we know this has happened. Now, what next? What is going to happen next? Or what can we anticipate is going to happen next? Yeah. So, first things first, let's look at the data that is in front of us, in front of our screens. There is no doubt that the market has gone from 7,500 to 11,300 odd levels, right? And it has gone up very rapidly in a matter of maybe 4 months now. So 4 months, it has gone up from 7,500, 11,300. Now there have been in this run, just like a car that picks up speed, your 0 to 40 or 0 to 60 is very fast. Then the 60 to 100 is a little slow, and then the 100 to 120 is even slower. Similarly, here in this run, what we can see is this was very fast. Yeah, the 7.5 to 10,000 was very fast. It touched 10,000, then it lost that speed. It came down. Then again, it change of gear was changed, and then again it started to go up from 9,000 level, and then again it gained pace. Now, once it gained pace and crossed that 10,500 level, once again we can see that it started to consolidate and lose a little bit of steam, right? And I want you to see the Nifty level from this point to this point, and I want you to see the Shakti from this point to this point. Yeah. So while the Nifty has gone up, the Shakti or the strength has actually come down. Yeah. And what does that mean? Yeah. What does that mean? That no doubt the market is going up, but at the same time, the steam is cooling off. There is some cooling off happening as far as the trend is concerned. So, what lesson does it carry for us? What is the point of this discussion? The point of this discussion is trade a smaller time frame, ensure that you put a stop loss. It doesn't matter what direction you are trading, long or short, but maintaining your stop loss, protecting your profit is more important in today's market than it was ever. And this is why we used to talk about, in a few of my sessions, I've talked about the new age or the new way of trading and the old way of trading. And this is what we need to do. We need to change the way we look at our investment, look at our trades. We need to be careful, very, very careful with regards to our stop loss. Only take trades where you can afford the stop loss. Please, please, please don't take a trade where you can't afford the stop loss. That is, I think, you need to sort of drill it into your head that you can't afford a trade where you can't afford the stop loss. If you can afford the stop loss, take the trade. If you can't afford it, simply don't take that particular trade. And once you have achieved a level of profit in the trade, ensure that you protect that level of profit. Don't let it go back into the market. All right. So let's delve a little further into the Nifty, because normally when it comes to Shastra, we say that we don't look at the Nifty as a barometer, and that's right. And there is a reason why we don't do that, and I'll just share with you that reason. Okay. So this is the same Nifty chart, and what I have, yeah, and I hope it is visible to all of you. All right. So what I have actually done is I have measured the rise of the Nifty in terms of days and in terms of percentage. And yes, this is from Shastra. I have done this using a tool in Shastra. So what I've done is from the lowest point to the current level, I have drawn a line and I have measured what is the how many bars. So it is a total of 87 trading days. And in 87 trading days, Nifty has gone up by 3655 or 49%. Okay. Everybody agree with me? This is what from the lowest point to the current level, Nifty has gone up 3655 or 49%. Okay. Now, how does the Nifty go up and down? The Nifty goes up and down if the stocks that are in the Nifty 50 go up and down. Okay. So what I have done is I have listed down the top 15 weighted stocks of the Nifty. The top 15 stocks that contribute the maximum to the Nifty. These 15 stocks in total contribute 72% to the Nifty's rise or fall. Okay. The weightage of these 15 stocks, 15 stocks, is 72%, 72.6 some percent when it comes to the Nifty. Okay. So let's have a look at those stocks, and you are going to be in for a good surprise now. Okay. First stock on the list is our very own Reliance Industries Limited, which has a weightage of 12.45% on Nifty. Okay. The weightage of Reliance is 12.45 when it comes to the Nifty. And if you look at Reliance's rise, it has gone up 1,201 points or 137% from the low that it made in March, right? So there is a new joke that goes around in the market that Reliance is the new Nifty. You don't need to look at Nifty, you just look at Reliance, because if Reliance is up, Nifty is up. Yeah. So is Reliance a stock that was going up like anything in the last 4 or 5 years? I remember Reliance, and I remember the time from 2009 to 2014 or 13 to 2013, where Reliance refused to move. And there were people who used to tell us that if Reliance doesn't, go up, the market just can't go up. But for that 4 or 5 year period, Reliance just refused to move. The stock was just, sort of hanging around in a particular band, I think a 200 point range or something like that. You need to go up, come down, go up, come down. And then we suddenly saw Reliance going up, right? Now, the point here is that Reliance has shown that it has the strength and it has the capability of going up even in a market like this. Yeah. And what is that? Probably that growth fueled by? That growth is fueled by how did it happen? It happened with Reliance raising money for the Jio platforms. Yeah, Reliance was raising money for the Jio platforms, and every single day the stock just kept on going up. They divested, I believe, a total of 33% in Reliance, the Jio platforms. They raised about, I think, 1,70,000 odd crore. Yeah. So what does it say about the way things are changing? And if you analyze this, you will unlock the key to stocks that will go up in the next few years. Okay. Number one, deleverage. Companies that will deleverage in this market will continue to go up. Number two, companies that will attract money. Those kind of companies will continue to grow, right? Did you ever think in the last, let's say in the last 40 years, for those of you who have been in the market for 40 years, did you think that there would be a Reliance business which would divest 33% of its holding? Did you ever, even in our wildest dreams, did we think that there will be a Reliance business in which they will sell off 33% of their business in a span of 4 months?
Not at all.
Not at all, right? Somebody just answered. I am not sure who did, but we did not imagine this, right? But that is what exactly Reliance did, and the market rewarded it with growth, right? So top contributor to the Nifty has been Reliance. Let's look at the next one. HDFC Bank has a weightage of 10.65%, and HDFC Bank has gone up 309 or 42% in the last 4 months since the time the lockdown started. All right. So not as much as Reliance, not as low as some other stocks, but it went up 42%. It sort of regained 60% of what it fell. So it regained 60% of the fall, HDFC Bank, and now again it's going down. So we have to wait and see how it it fares in the future. Okay, next comes HDFC Limited. It has a 6.99% weightage on the Nifty, and it has gone up just 23% in the last 4 months. Yeah, in fact, if you see, it became highly volatile. Yeah, just gone up 23% in the last 4 months. Then comes Infosys, which has a 6.21% weightage on the Nifty, and it has gone up how much? 90% in the last 4 months. 90% from the low, it has gone up. So yet another multi-bagger. So what message does that give us? Technology. Yeah, technology will be attractive to investors. And if you remember, in one of my sessions, I had shared that data is not the new gold or the new oil. Knowledgeable, actionable data is the new gold or the new oil. And that is what you see happening with Reliance, and that is what you see happening with Infosys. Right? Companies that can process data, give actionable output to their customers, to their users, like in case of Reliance, and to their customers, like in case of Infosys, will attract money in the future. And look at Infosys, it has in fact broken the previous high. Just like Reliance, it has broken the previous high and touched the new high in the current scenario. Next comes ICICI Bank, which has a 5.25% rating, 5.25% weightage, and it has just gone up 28% in the last 4 months. Tata Consultancy Services, 5.04%, and has gone up 51% in the last 4 months. Again, technology. Kotak Mahindra Bank, 4.59%, has gone up 38% in the last 4 months. Hindustan Lever has a weightage of 4.49%, and it has gone up 25%, just 25%. Whereas the general talk in the town was that, FMCG is going to be the new gold. Unfortunately, not. All right. ITC, which has a weightage of 3.92%, it has gone up how much? 43% in the last 4 months. This I have calculated the net, the rate of change or rate of price in the last 4 months. Bharti Airtel, 52%, right? It has a weightage of 3.1% on the Nifty, but it has gone up 52%. Larsen and Toubro, infrastructure manufacturer, 2.66% weightage. It has gone up 37% in the last 4 months. Axis Bank, which has a weightage of 2.12%, it has gone up 50% in the last 4 months. Maruti Suzuki, which has a weightage of 1.79%, has gone up 55% in the last 4 months. Asian Paints, 1.75% weightage and has gone up 22% in the last 4 months. Bajaj Finance, 1.73%. In fact, from mid-March to sort of beginning of June, Bajaj Finance went further down, and then from the lowest point, it has gone up 81%. So it touched the low, and then it has gone up another 1400 odd points. Yeah. All right. So coming back to the Nifty. All right. So I believe you all can see the screen. Yeah, is the screen visible to all of you? Yeah.
Not yet.
Okay. Has it started now? Yeah. Was it visible to you all this while, or was it not visible to you?
No, Pashin. It's just now. It's just coming.
Oh, so all this while you were not able to.
No, we could see you, but not this. Okay, yeah. We could see the other screen. Yes.
Okay, was visible earlier. Just
Yes.
stop now. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. I just wanted to make sure all the charts that I had prepared.
No, we could see that. We could see that.
You know, putting in hard work of 15 minutes. I wasn't sure whether you all could see that.
No, we could see that.
So, only when you asked, it was not visible. Otherwise, it was visible.
Oh, so maybe I need to stop asking. It is probably telling me to shut up. All right. So what we have seen is that there are 7 stocks out of the top 15 that contribute 72% to the Nifty. There are 7 stocks that have gone up 50% or higher. Rest of the stocks have not even gone back to the original level that they had 4 months back. So there is a huge list of stocks that is lagging behind the performers, right? And there is a new breed of performers that has now emerged in this particular bull run or particular recovery, as we may call it. So what we need to do now is we need to focus. Now I am not specifically talking to a day trader or a swing trader as far as this is concerned, but I'm talking to all the positional guys, all the mid-term guys, all the long-term guys. This is where you will have to show your capability in identifying the right multi-baggers, the high growth stocks in the coming market. Like I said, the Nifty steam is cooling off, so we may see some correction before it again starts to go around, right? So we need to see how the correction comes, how much the correction is, what happens to the stocks that have gone up in the last 4 months. Do they continue to go up? Do they fall? So for a positional trader, for a mid-term, for a long-term player, this is the time you need to really, sharpen your skills, pick the right stocks, because trust me, stocks that have worked in the last 10 years will not work in the next 10 years. There will be a different set of stocks. You need to be 100% sure that you are able to identify and pick those stocks and invest and trade in those particular stocks, right? So I could do this for 15 stocks. You can do it for 50 stocks. You can do it for 100 stocks. It doesn't matter. You can do it for the Nifty Junior or the Nifty IT or the Nifty Auto. But like I said, in this 4 months, life has changed. Your life has changed. The world has changed. The world order has changed. And the way companies, like if you see the banks, heavily hammered during this lockdown period. If you see some other heavyweight construction companies like L&T, unable to recover. So companies that are capital rich, that have a lot of capital with them, that have a lot of cash with them, companies that have deleveraged their risk by divesting and raising money from outside, companies that operate on an asset light model. Now I know I'm trying to, I'm beginning to sound fundamental as far as this is concerned, but these are companies that will attract money. And I am not saying you will need all that skill to identify these companies. You can very well identify these companies right within Shaspa with the scanners, right, the star scanner that we have. But you need to know that there will be a different set of companies that will, work their magic for the Nifty or for the Sensex from now onwards, right? So that was my presentation for this evening. Now I'll stop presenting, yeah, and I'll stop my presentation. I'll go back to the meeting board where I can see all of you. And there are some who have switched off your cameras again. So I want you all to switch on your cameras again for all of you who haven't turned on their cameras, right? So what I am going to do is, okay, like we all agree that the world has changed, right? We all agree. And the meeting that we are having right now is a form of meeting each other, knowing each other, and understanding what we are out to do in the stock market. So what I want you to do, I'll call out your name. Okay, I want you to turn on your camera. If it is not on, I want you to turn on your camera. I want you to unmute your microphone, introduce yourself, maybe in a couple of lines, what you do, whether stock market is your main business. Okay, and then you need to you can share what you have done with or without Shaspa as far as the stock market is concerned, what you have done in the last 4 months. All right, so we'll start with Alan, right? So Alan, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can all hear you and we can see you in a nice red colored room. I wonder why it is red.
No, it's because of the sunlight through the curtain.
Oh, okay. All right, please go ahead, Alan.
I couldn't hear what, initially by the time I could...
Okay, so introduce yourself and what you have done in the stock market in the last 4 months, and you can share maybe a couple of words about Shaspa, or that's fine. With or without Shaspa, yes. How you managed to change yourself, or how you managed to survive in this stock market scenario in the last 4 months. Okay.
Well, yes, right, yeah, sure. Thanks for the opportunity and a big hello to everyone there. In fact, I'm working in Bahrain, right, and with a 2.5 hours difference, of course, behind India time. So yes, before Shaspa, I was investing into stock market now for around more than 10 to 12 years. And I don't know about others, but not proudly, but I would be honest enough to say that, yes, like any retail investor I've made a lot of mistakes and burned a lot of money out there by entering into the wrong time and exiting it at a wrong time as well. So lately there was a lot of buzz about trading, and that's when I came across Shaspa. I did another course on understanding what the thing was, and Shaspa made it really, really very clear to me. Helped me deliver, the to-do list, not to analyze, not to go around beating around. And yes, I have been with Shaspa now for 2 months. There have been good days, there have been bad days. Of late, there are only bad days. No problem. I don't know why things have not been working, or I need to know a little bit more and watch some lessons. But yes, I have been in the market. Yeah, not every day is as good as not every day is good, but then yes, we need to learn more. And I still feel that the mistakes that I'm making, probably. So that's what my small story is. But I have a lot of optimism and expectations from Shaspa, which I'm sure I will derive out of.
Great. That was a little long. I request all of you all to cut. Alan anyway loves to talk.
Sorry for holding you there.
So So we'll mute Alan and we'll go on to Aparna Sengupta. Aparna Sengupta, please turn on your camera. Please turn on your microphone and introduce yourself. Yeah. Aparna Sengupta, can you hear us? All the bachelors in the room are waiting for Aparna Sengupta. Okay, I believe we have. Okay, Aparna, I think is either off doing some work and not actively in this meeting. All right, so let's proceed. We'll come back to Aparna. Ashwin Bhai, are you there? Ashwin Chothani, are you there? Ashwin Bhai, are you there? No, I believe we can't hear Ashwin Bhai for some reason. No, I believe. Okay, we'll come back to Ashwin Bhai. Do we have Bimal Vaidya? Yeah, Bimal Vaidya, are you here? Okay, next in line, Bimal Vaidya, are you here? Yeah, Bimal Bhai is here. Bimal Bhai, we can see you. So I think you need to unmute and you can introduce yourself. You need to unmute yourself. First, you need to unmute yourself and then you can just click on the screen and you can unmute yourself. Okay, just click on the screen once and you will see a mic button. Click on the mic button and you should be able to unmute yourself. Okay, meanwhile, let's try to move on. Deepak Shah, are you here? Deepak Bhai? Can we see Deepak Bhai here? Okay. I can see Gopa here. So Gopa, I think you can go ahead. Unmute yourself. Yeah, Gopa is ready. Gopa has been waiting for me to call out his name and say,
Yeah, that's right. Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible. Please go ahead.
Yeah, hello all. My name is Gopa. I am based in Bangalore. I work for one of the leading IT companies, and I am pretty to this stock market, share market thing. I'm in this for last 5-6 months. I initially started with a very small investment and going on. And last 2 months, I'm with Shasva. And nowadays, most of my investment, when I say most, it is around 90% or more. Most of my investment is, based on the recommendation from Shasva. I follow the star scanner and I pick up the shares, which are potential for a short-term growth, and I invest on that. That's what I usually do. And my intraday experience has been not so good. So I've been communicating, with Shaspa on a regular basis. I'm hoping that, maybe with my experience, it will improve.
Okay, cool. Thanks, Gopa.
Yeah, that's all from my side.
Do we have Hemal Parikh? Do we have Hemal Parikh? Okay, so I don't think we have. Yeah, we have Hemal Parikh. Yeah, Hemal. Yeah, hi. Please go ahead.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, I'm working as a senior manager accounts with Malcare Hospital. I'm based at Baroda.
Oh.
And I'm following the share market since almost 30 years. But unfortunately, I could not make any money. So it's a bad part on me. So I recently joined this ASPA to do it in a systematic manner. So I'm trying to learn it and avoid all the mistakes what I have done in past. Thank you.
Cool. Hemal, we are all here for you, and as much as knowledge or help you require, we are all here. Not just we at Shaspa, but I believe our entire group is here to help you. Great. All the best.
So much. Okay.
So Hitesh Parikh, Hitesh bhai, do we have you? Hitesh bhai was around. I could see him. Yeah. Hitesh bhai. Yeah, Hitesh bhai. Yes. Please unmute yourself and go ahead. I can see you, Hitesh bhai.
ओके
Yeah.
हेलो
Hello. Good evening.
हाँ हितेश परीख सूरत में हूँ मैं क्रिप्को फर्टिलाइजर में जॉब करता हूँ
हाँ जी.
एक बार मैंने अच्छी तरह ये सीखा इसमें से शास्त्रा में से अभी तक मैं 10-15 साल से कर रहा था लेकिन ये शेयर अच्छा चलेगा मैं सोच रहा था ये ऐसा होना चाहिए वैसा होना चाहिए एक शास्त्रा के बाद इतना ट्रेनिंग सेशन के बाद इतना पता चला कि अपनी मर्जी से कुछ चलता नहीं है जो टेक्निकल जो चलता है उसी के हिसाब से चलता है अपनी मर्जी नहीं चलती है वो जो अभी एक भाई ने बताया कि इंट्राडे में मुझे भी थोड़ा डिसअपॉइंटेड हुआ है 20 मिनट चार्ट के हिसाब से मैं इंट्राडे मार्जिन में ट्राई किया 2-3 बार लेकिन सक्सेस नहीं हो पा रहा हूँ उसमें वरना स्विंग एज अ स्विंग ट्रेडर 15 डेज 20 डेज में तो अच्छा रहा एक्सपीरियंस मेरा एक बात मुझे वो नहीं समझ आई वो कि बीएसई और एनएसई दोनों ऑलवेज पैरेलली चलता है लेकिन शास्त्रा एप्लीकेशन में एक स्टेबल बीएसई स्टेबल दिखा रहा है जबकि एनएसई ऑलवेज डाउन दिखा रहा है तो वो मुझे आपने 1-2 बार एक्सप्लेन किया लेकिन मुझे अभी सेटिस्फेक्शन उससे हुआ नहीं है
ओके तो नेक्स्ट वीक के आस्क मी एनीथिंग सेशन के लिए पहला क्वेश्चन आपका है
ठीक है थैंक यू
वंडरफुल थैंक यू हितेश भाई ओके सो हितेश सोनी नेक्स्ट
Yes, I'm here. Good evening, everyone. Myself, Hitesh Soni. I am from Baroda, Gujarat, and I'm having my own dental laboratory and making artificial teeth for patients. Or smiling, you can say, give smiles to the patient, basically. Wow. And because of seriously, I have started. I know Shaspa from very past few years. You can say by 2013 I know when it was some another name we have it right but I'm using since 4 months I'm using and I'm enjoying very well before that I have never before Shaspa I was a long term investor because whenever I invest my stock price goes down and I think that it will raise in few months but you can say today Sun Pharma made 540 something high like that, right? I have bought Sun Pharma at 585 rupees 3 years back, expecting that it will go up. But you know, this is kind of a become investor I want. But when I come to know about Shaspa, I become very, very confident and I'm really excited that future will be bright for me using Shaspa. And there are a lot of possibilities and recently I have started with a very little amount, but right now I am using also with call and put. Before that, I have never started it. So I am very enjoying it. I am very excited and positive that I will get very good result with using Shaspa.
Absolutely, Hitesh. And we are all here to help you succeed. Yeah.
Thanks
and anybody needs a dental implant, you know whom to contact.
Yeah, anytime. Yeah, please.
Okay, so we move on to Jigranil. Jigar, Anil bhai. Yeah. We can't hear you. No, I believe you can just disconnect the headphone and maybe you can try directly. Yeah, I think it will work. No, I believe Anil bhai has some audio issue. Okay, so Anil bhai, you can try connecting and we'll come back to you. And let's move to Jyoti Raja Soda. Do we have you?
Yes. Can you hear me?
Oh, yes. Yes. We can see you and we can hear you. Yeah. And we can see a smiling face that probably says that you have made money today.
No, okay. I recently picked Ajanta Pharma and Torrent Pharma from Saspa Star Scanner.
Okay.
Though I still making mistake, I bought Reliance P at every level. I
Oh,
bought Reliance Put at every level. That was my mistakes.
okay, okay.
I am in stock market since 2001 too. I see Sensex below 3,000 and Nifty below 1,000. So
Wow.
yes,
And
I am
where do you stay? What do
now
you do?
Jamnagar, Gujarat.
Hmm.
Ah.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful. So you are inside the refinery or something? Reliance refinery?
I am advising in mutual funds.
Oh, wonderful. Okay, okay. Great, great, great. Great to see you. Great to hear you.
Okay.
Okay. Let's move on to Mr. Kishore Pandit. And Kishore Bhai, are you there? Yes.
I am there. I am there.
Kishore Bhai is always there.
I am always there. I am always there.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean,
Please, sir, continue.
I think almost most of the people know me by name because I am always present in any of all these sessions. I am associated with you people for last 10 years now. Initially as a user of the software, then as a mentor, and then when you asked that what I was doing in these 4-5 months of lockdown period, so I would say that I could not get any time to invest for myself because I was helping others in this one or other WhatsApp groups or on calls or that's it. But
that's another achievement. That's another level of achievement.
It was an achievement, and it was very fun. It was very fun. It was very satisfying. And frankly speaking, I would like to take the name of Hitesh Parikh. He is my mentor in some other thing, like why I am able to speak in front of you, like public speaking and all those things. He had been my senior in my college, and now I could help him in stock market. Very little, but I could help him in his. It is a.
So we have people who were together in college and I am together in Shaspa. Wow.
No,
wow.
We are since we are together since our childhood. We grew together. We were neighbors. When I was I think 6-7 years of age. Since then we know each other. Langotia, we can say we are Langotia.
Wonderful.
Same school, same college, everything. Okay.
Great. Thank you, Kishore Bhai. Mahesh Bhandari, do we have you? Mahesh Bhandari?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Please go ahead, sir.
Hello to everyone. I am myself Mahesh Bhandari. I am from Jamnagar, Gujarat. And my friend Samit Dudatra, he is also joining this group. He suggests me for this video. Recently, I am not using Sasva, and I am just joining a share market since last 4 months, and I want to be a positional trader.
All right.
Okay, so
have you taken the test? Have you taken the trader versus investor test?
No.
Okay, so I'll ask Samir to share that with you, and you can identify yourself as a trader or investor.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. So all the best to you, Mahesh. Let's move on. Thanks, Mahesh. Manish Soni, do we have you? Manish Soni from Canada. So we actually have a global conference. I did not even realize that we are actually having a global conference. There is somebody from Canada. There's somebody from Bahrain. And we have people from Baroda and Jamnagar and different parts of India. We are actually having a nice global conversation. Okay, I believe Manish Soni is not glued on. Probably he's early morning for him. So, Milind Joshi, Milindji, do we have you?
Hello, sir. Good evening, everybody.
Yes, sir. Hello. Good evening, sir. Please go ahead, sir.
I'm with Shaspa since its inception. Almost since inception, 10 years, maybe 10 years, sir. 10, 11 years.
Absolutely. He has witnessed my entire hair fall in the last 10 years.
And basically, I was with them. I joined with them as their student, and now I'm there with them as their mentor, and I'm enjoying my job. But frankly speaking, I couldn't do anything in last 4 months, working tirelessly, and couldn't put my knowledge into the share market. But I'm working on COVID, so that's different story.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah. Thank you very
Great.
much.
Thank you, William Bhai. Mukesh Shah, do we have you? Mukesh Bhai, are you there? Mukesh Shah, Mukesh Bhai. Again, Mukesh Bhai has been around for I don't know how many years. Okay, let's move on. Dr. Prachi Bedekar. Yes, you need to unmute yourself and then you can introduce yourself.
Yeah, I'm Dr. Prachi Bedekar. I have attended Shaspa's meeting, offline one at Mumbai. I was doing a lot of being basically a medical professional. I do a lot of long-term investments, not the intraday ones. Of late, there are a lot of changes in all the markets that you're telling. It's quite true because even in our education field, when we go for a continuous faculty development plan, we have been informed that this is like, AC, BC and DC, so this is like after Corona, before Corona and during Corona. A lot of changes are there in the market, lot of understanding, and even education policies are changing. So I'm pretty convinced that that's how even the shares and the whole of the businesses and the stocks, the learnings will also change. But we need a lot of a lot of this time is given to us actually to reflect and to relearn, and we have to unlearn. That's very important, that we need to unlearn a lot of things that we have already learned and we've been practicing all this time. So I just wish all of us can definitely unlearn and then relearn what you are teaching us.
Absolutely, absolutely. And you rightly put it, you
had encouraged us that daily trade, but actually there's a lot of fear now. What has happened is that a lot of fear and a lot of anxiety has come in the common man. And we really don't know it's all uncertain. So the markets are uncertain, the stocks are uncertain, and people are also uncertain, and there are a lot of people who have died in front of us because we are medical professionals. So there's a lot of, especially women, that's what I was just talking to the psychologist present front, the doctor present with me right now, that women have suffered 55% of morbidities with anxiety because the roles have changed. We are all forced to go online. So this thing, like, online, keep on looking at things and understand different platforms of digitization. So all this has become a big stress right now for us to learn first, then meditate, then reflect upon, and then act upon. So I think Shaspa is really good, and but we need to meet frequently online, and maybe we can meet a lot of people online, and we can take various inputs at all level, and definitely take an extra learning and earning both. But I think we need some more time.
Great. Definitely, we'll try and organize as many sessions as we can. And like you rightly said, we need to
at least
after unlearn and then relearn. We need to switch.
Because I mean, it's even the banking sector. It's becoming so very complex. Because every time you have to tell, because people who are already into it, pehle kya phone karke utha ke we used to talk to the trader. Now it's not going to be anything like that.
That is not
and we have to take it all on our own selves, and we have to be really fastest finger first. It's like that. So that's why I will even tell the students that even work on different platforms, and there is the youth definitely needs to understand the new areas and the concept of savings and all these things. But I think that will take a time, at least 1 year, for all of us to really learn up.
Great. Thanks, doctor. Thanks, doctor.
So much.
Okay. Do we have Pradeep Bhai? Pradeep Gukani? Pradeep ji, are you there? Okay, Pradeep ji.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you listen to me?
Yes, sir, we can listen to you. We just can't see you, but we can listen to you. Please go ahead, sir.
Yeah. Hello everyone, I'm Pradeep Gokani. I'm based at Baroda, working in IT field of video surveillance and access control. I have been introduced to SASPA since April 2019. Since almost 1.5 years, I am using SASPA and all its features. Couple of things are very prominent. I don't know how much we earned and how much we lost. That is a little secondary. But using SASPA and the teachings have put me personally in a very confident situations. I know what I am going to do tomorrow. I am not at loss at what to do and what not to do. That is one thing. That is very important thing. Uh, Another thing, no matter what kind of investor I am, but I know what I can do and I want to do. Another thing, after this lockdown and series of this OSTA trainings you have started, and this kind of community build up, that has put enormous confidence as an individual that we are not alone. We are in such a group that we can learn a lot of things and grow. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Pradeep ji. And we have always maintained that we are a family. Right from the T3B days to next to SASPA now, we have always maintained that we are one family. All right.
Sarji,
Yes, sir.
I just want to add something.
Yes, please go ahead.
देखिए एवरीबॉडी इज टॉकिंग अबाउट वो अभी तक मुझे रिजल्ट नहीं मिल रहे हैं वगैरह ऐसे है तो frankly speaking I am into share market since 1990 and I joined SASPA. It was T3B trader at that time, somewhere in 2011. Okay, till then I was not knowing about keeping stop loss. I was not maintaining any stop loss. That was not the concept. I never heard of it. And it was very difficult for me to digest these things. And I tell you that I could not adjust with the atmosphere till almost 1.5 years. And I used to lose money. I used to take my own decisions apart from what my system is telling me. And I used to believe in myself rather than system. And after 1 year, 1.5 years, after continuously going through the trainings and conversation with Pashin Bhai and Aziz Bhai, I started following the system. And I believe me, after that, I have never made any losses in any of the financial years. The losses may be temporary losses, but in the financial year, if you follow the rule, the basic is follow the rule, follow the rule, follow the rule. And if you do that, I guarantee you, everybody, that you won't make any financial losses in any of the financial year to year, I'll say. You can surely make your profits 10 times what you were making earlier. You will make profits, and that's why I am with them for last 10-11 years. Believe me. Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you, Milind bhai. Okay, let's move on. Samir, we have you. Samir Dudhatra. Samir, you're here? Yeah, please go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Please go ahead. Please introduce yourself. And
my name is Samir Dudhatra. Now I am working in Reliance Industries, Jamnagar, Gujarat. My special thanks to my mentor Nilesh Kotadia. He is my uncle. He suggested to use the SASPA. But since after attending all the sessions, since last 4 months, my thinking was totally changed. I am a positional trader, but I don't follow stop loss. But after attending your session, it is very useful to me, and I am now very good learner from you give training, and my thinking was totally changed. Special thanks to SASPA for Adani Green specially. So many times 3-star in Artist and SASPA star from beginning below 100 price. So special thanks to SASPA for Adani Green.
Thank you. Thank you. So, Sandeep, do we have you? Sandeep Rathod, do we have you? Yeah. Sandeep, we can't hear you for some reason. Maybe you can.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, now we can hear you. Yes. Please go ahead, Sandeep.
Myself, Sandeep Rathod, Pune, Maharashtra. I am a businessman, and I'm actually very thankful to Mr. Pragnesh Mehta, who is last 7 years with you, and
Yes,
who guided me your link in this lockdown, and I follow that. And my last 20-year experiences like this, that I have never made profit in last 20 years. But after following SASVA in this 4 months, I can say it's unbelievable for me that your concept and your SASVA app is unbelievable. I don't have words to express my feeling, but I can say only one thing, that each and everybody who puts money in share market, they should follow SASVA.
Thank you.
SASVA only. Then only they will realize what SASVA is. And I'm very much thankful to SASVA and my great friend Pragnesh Mehta, who is associated with you last 7 years, who guided me this. Really, I can't express my feeling, what I want to say right now.
I understand. It becomes.
I don't have words to express it, sir.
True. And we all hope and we pray that your winning streak continues and you make much more profit.
In this 4 months, I never realized that I've made a loss. Even I've made a loss, I've recovered it 10 times.
Right.
And I'm
Great.
very
Thank you,
much
Sandeep.
Saspa and my friend Pragnesh Mehta.
Thank you, Sandeep. Thank you.
Last 7 years. Thanks very much, sir.
Thanks. Satish, do we have you? Satish?
Yes, Pashin. So,
Yes,
namaste everyone. Namaste everyone. I'm Satish from Bangalore. I'm an oil and gas engineer working for Shell. As far as the stock market is concerned, I'm still a baby. Just taken baby steps and then trying to move a bit faster. It may take years. Let's see how soon I really go. Thanks to my gurus for introducing me to this field. My father first, and then gurus like Kishore Bhai, Pashin Bhai, Milind Bhai, Aziz Bhai, everyone. Thank you. I'm yet to see money in this. Probably I'm making some mistakes. I'll learn from my mistakes. But yes, I have to. I should not stop and then keep going and follow the rules. And then for people like me, I just have a request to Pashin that I think this weekly charts probably it needs some improvement because that is the one going forward I'll be using more because I don't have time during the weekdays. I start my day at 6:37 in the morning and just finished around 6:30 or 7 in the evening, 12 hours every day. So please, I had given some suggestions as well earlier. I want to see that. And then, yeah, thank you. So I really like that weekly charts to improve and help people like us who can have little time. Thank you very much.
Sure. Thanks. Seshu sir, do we have you? Seshu sir, can you unmute yourself and
Hello.
Yes, sir. We can hear you now.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Hello. See, I am a retired person settled in Bangalore. Okay, I've been trading for the last say 20 years, and I'm with the SASVA for the last 10 years. Okay, before joining SASVA, I was not making that much money, though it was slightly on the positive side. Only after joining the SASVA and T3B and SASVA, my profits started growing year by year. As Mr. Milind said, in the financial year, my profits started going up and up and up. SASVA is a very good system. There is no other system as on date comparable to SASVA. It guides you very well how to navigate the stock market, how to avoid the pitfalls, and how to make profits. Such a wonderful system. And Mr. Pashin ji and Mr. Aziz ji and others, my mentors, they are helping me to
trade better and gain more profits. Thanks to Shasva. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Somehow I missed Raghuji. Raghuji, are you there, sir? I jumped from P to S. Raghuji, are you there? We can't hear you, sir. You will need to unmute yourself, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now we can hear you. Yeah.
Yeah, it's very nice to meet all of you. Good evening. This is Raghu from Hyderabad. I am with Shajpa for the past 4+ years, and I am in the markets from 91 onwards. And I am a learner. Always keep learning new things. So that's how I have got in touch with your group, and I'm really happy. For the past 4 months, I am learning some new things and following system. The system-based thing always will give a good encouragement. And still, I want to do something more. I'm aggressive trader, and more risk taker, and I made a lot of money in the markets. I have given a lot of money to the markets. So expecting some more, but I am actually I observed for the past 3 months, 4 months in RT scanner I have not seen Reliance and HDFC Bank, Infosys. I don't know whether it is I have missed it or whether it has come in system or not.
Yeah. Okay. So we'll take that
our system are identified. I'm sure about it. Other people whether noticed it or not noticed it, but I am except Bank Nifty regularly they are coming. Other some Asian paints have come and this thing, but these 2-3 stocks which have gone up 100%, 50%. But even Bajaj Finance also I think once it has come, but other things have not noticed. Please look into that. Yeah. And it is a great system, and we need to follow this. Thank you.
So basically, stocks like these, they come not in the RT scanner, but they come in the star scanner, and because they are stocks that are more suitable for day and week trading rather than intraday trading. Yeah. So moving on, do we have Dr. Sheetal Vedya? Dr. Sheetal, are you there?
Pasin bhai, I want to.
Yes, doctor.
Hello.
Yes, Dr. Sheetal.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. I am Dr. Sheetal. I am from Baroda. By profession, I am an orthopedic surgeon practicing in Baroda. Actually, I am into stocks for last 1.5 years, and actually came to know about Shasva for last 5 to 6 months. Initially, I was a fundamentalist, and then I realized that because of the differential disclosures by companies, it is not worth it, and you have to go for your risk protection, risk management, position sizings, and capital protections. These are the 3 pillars of any stock earning. One is capital protection, second is risk management, and third is position sizing. So I think with all these things merged into this AI-based algos, I think I'm pretty happy with that. For last 4 months, I'm using this Shasva and doing pretty well with stop losses. Actually, I do not see the market because I don't get time to see the market. I put my stop losses early in the morning, whichever stocks I have already bought in the past. I'm not a day trader, so I don't follow day tradings. I'm basically a long-term investor. So I'm not a trader, I'm an investor, but it is based on a Shasva ideology. So I'm pretty happy with that. Thank you.
Great. Dr. Sheetal, all the best to you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Manish Bhai wants to go. Manish Bhai, we can hear you. Please go ahead.
Can I speak in Hindi? Is that okay, sir? Everyone is okay?
Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, kuch bhi chalega. Go ahead.
Pasin bhai, I joined Shasva in the February when market was going down. So at that time, I made good money. And I was so happy that I am a good trader. But like during these 3 months, again, like I am unhappy with my performance, Maybe not following the method, but I don't blame Shasva. I am blaming my own habit. Okay? And I know you guys like Kishore Bhai, Hausdeva Bhai, Mehul Bhai. They are the big giants, you. So we are the child and you are the father. We have to follow you, And
you're making me feel old now.
And the main problem with me, like when I sleep, Indian market starts. So that's why I am unhappy. You know, I can't concentrate on the live market. So that's why I am a loser that way also. Another thing, like I have noticed that like whenever in the Dow Jones, because I also invest in the Dow Jones. So when like the Infi ADR or Dr. Reddy ADR, everything is going up 50-25. I jump in the Indian market in the same. So just like I bought Infi call because I didn't have the enough capital to invest in the future. But I am talking, telling all the guys like what is the difference between options and the future. I bought a Infosys call on the peak. It was like 10 rupees and 25. So the amount was like 12,000 rupees in Indian rupees. But if you buy the same future of Infosys, right now you will be in the profit of like 25,000 rupees. Right, so that is the difference between options and the futures. Yeah, you make good profit in the futures, but if you invest in the options, like I am in the profit of only 1,200 rupees today. So that is the big difference, you know. And I have noticed that like only in the SASPA, I only didn't like one thing. We only talk about the future stock. We don't concentrate on the cash stock because right now, if you see the cash stocks, they are climbing very high, like 10%, 20%. Yes. So we should discuss the cash stock also in SASPA.
Yeah, and a lot of people get attracted to the RT scanner and the RT scanner results, and they forget the most powerful scanner in SASPA is the SASPA Star Scanner. Like somebody pointed out, Adani Green. Some phenomenal stocks have appeared in the Star Scanner, and I think all those who are positional traders, mid-term traders, long-term traders, you know, you need to follow the Star Scanner. Thank you, Manish.
Pasin bhai, one more question. Like one guy just told that like Infosys and Reliance is not there in the system. So I really miss that thing in our system.
So Infosys and Reliance you will find in the Star Scanner, not in the RT scanner. That's why I say it's very important for you to know what type of a trader you are, because you will find stocks that are suitable to your trading style in that particular scanner. You will not find it in the other scanner. Yeah. Okay. So let's thanks, Manish. Let's move on. Thank you. Dr. Shiva, are you there? Dr. Shiva, yeah. Can we unmute yourself?
Yeah, Pashin, I'm here.
Yes, doctor. Please go ahead. Please introduce yourself.
Good evening, everybody. I am associated with this since last 3 months. Otherwise, also, Pashin and I, we were together since last maybe 12 years, Pashin.
Yeah, 12, absolutely.
Yeah. I stay just a kilometer away from Pashin, but we hardly meet. I am all three, like, positional, swing, and intraday also. That's a good thing about this is it helps all three, and in equally good terms. So, like before I talked to Pashin about few months back, I was in a dilemma what exactly to do my delivery this thing, because that was a crucial time. Then he gave me an idea and I studied it and I attended the initial training sessions. I subscribed and started. The first thing is the learning process. I am in the stock market since 1984, but the age and the market and the friends like Pashin, Aziz, Shoaib, they all taught me, and the system. Learning and de-learning process is an ongoing process, especially the de-learning process rather than the learning process. So that I have done umpteen number of times, and now I have adopted to this system very well, and it helps me in all three categories what I am doing. Positional, delivery, or whatever you call it, long term. Long term, it helps me where to get out, which is the best part of it. And it in the swing and the intermediate, it helps me where to buy and exit both. And for the intraday or this thing, I concentrate more on the intraday, Bank Nifty and Nifty. It helps. The strike rate is almost more than about 45 to 55%, which is great for any system. So with the
Thank
proper
you.
stop loss and all, it's excellent. And thanks for the introduction.
Thank you, doctor. So we have a lot of doctors in the group. I think we should form a separate WhatsApp group for Shaspa doctors.
Sure.
Thank you, Dr. Shiva.
Thank you, Pujan. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Good night.
Can we move on to Shyamal Javeri? Shyamal Javeri, are you there? Yeah, Shyamal Javeri. Okay, I believe. Okay, let's move on to Dr. Tushar Shah. Yes, doctor.
Yeah,
you can.
good evening, everyone. Yeah, I'm Tushar from Vadodara. I'm orthopedic surgeon, and I got introduced to Shaspa along with Dr. Sheetal Vaidya around 4-5 months back. I was a passive investor and long-term investor before that. Few good things I learned, the concept of stop loss, which I have implemented. Also learned about profit protection, which was not, these are the two things which I think made a big difference in my way of investing. I have been using it for the last 2 months little more actively, and I am happy, and I'm still a very early learning phase. So I hope this group and the educational activity will benefit me a lot. Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you, Dr. Tushar. So Anil, are you able to work on your mic? Or Ashwin bhai? Anil, do you want to try? No, we can't hear it. Even Ashwin bhai is having some audio problems. Anyway, so we'll keep your introductions. The special people, we'll keep the introductions for the next session. So thank you, everybody. It was great learning about you. It was great knowing all of you, because it's always great to recognize a face behind the name. I have been communicating with a lot of you, and I haven't even seen you for the last 3-4 months. And it was great to attach a face to the name, and that's how personal relations are built. And I hope to continue these sessions, and all the best to all of you. We are all here for you. Shaspa is probably the only company that has no dealing in brokerage services, in portfolio management services. All we charge you is a small subscription fee, which is very affordable. And then our only responsibility and our only goal or our mission is to ensure that you make money in the stock market. Whether you are a day trader, whether you are a swing trader, a positional trader, or a long-term investor, we are here for you. So any doubt you have, please get back to us. Next Friday, we have the Ask Me Anything session. So you have any question about Shaspa, about your trading style, about your, any strategy related or software related issue, just send it to us. And from tomorrow, Aziz is going to be starting the software training sessions. So all of you who have just joined into Shaspa, ensure that you attend those sessions starting tomorrow, 7 p.m. The same link works. So it will be for 5 days starting tomorrow. All right. So good night. God bless. Take care of yourselves. Take care of your families. And we'll see you again. Okay. God bless. Good night.